Hi, Rob Nixon here. For nearly 20 years, I've been educating accountants about how to sell. And it's a skill, and you're actually really good at it once you understand some basics and some skills, which is pretty cool. At my upcoming seminar talk called Remaining Relevant, this is one of the 7 topics we're going to deal with, being sales. And I have 5 key questions which I'm going to ask you to answer and educate you around the detail of how we make it a yes and how we make it even better than what you've got. So these 5 questions are like the top line things an accountant can do to sell more effectively and ethically to your clients, or service them better, whatever you want to say. So number 1, and by the way, when you answer yes to this, it can only be yes or no. If it's a yes, if it's documented, scripted, you're fully trained, and your team know about it as well, as in the relevant team. So number 1, do you have a pipeline management system with a structured sales process that is documented on your system? Because otherwise, it just becomes heaps of meetings. Number 2, do your client-facing team members, those that interact, either on the phone or face-to-face with your clients, they're in a selling role. Accounting is actually selling because you're advising and you're influencing. Have they had at least 2 days of sales training in the last 12 months? Yes or no? Number 3, do you have a structured and scripted meeting process for new clients and existing clients? I find this lacking in your training on how we work with a client. You sort of wing it or you're not prepared. A structured and scripted process so you can understand where the client's at, understand where they're going, and then you match services around that. I'll teach you how to do that. Number 4, do you maximize the number of projects per client per year so that every client you have has services suited to the goals they want to achieve? And number 5, with all these new services, value-added services typically, do you price them outside of compliance? Do you price them based on value-based fees, not time times rate? If you answered no to any one of these and you're interested in the future of the profession, sales will be part of that, as in making sure clients are serviced well, you're going to have to do that to keep them, then you need to attend my seminar, Remaining Relevant. We deal with 7 topics: sales, marketing, value-added services, cash flow, people, and strategy. You need to attend, bring your team. It's all day, 9:15 to 4 p.m. It's sponsored by CCH, 13 cities, June 12 through July 27, 5 capital cities and 8 regional cities. If you go to remainingrelevant.com.au, the banner's here, and you go to the promo code and enter video, you'll get $100 off per person. Bring your entire team, use it as your annual planning session. It's going to be a very exciting day. Looking forward to seeing you very soon.